Welcome everybody. Today we've got Cover Girl from G.I. Joe. She was the driver of the Wolverine, a armored missile vehicle, I think is what that's called. I think she gets, yeah, she's got the swivel arm. Let's see it now. Cool leather jacket and a logo here that I don't really recognize. Got some kind of computer or something on her leg. Sidearm. No details on the back. Sort of weird boots for her. Got the sort of UGG looking boots. I think her thing was she was supposedly a model or something and felt compelled by patriotism to join the military or something. I do not have the Wolverine, but somehow I've got a bunch of the missiles from the Wolverine. I don't know how I ended up with all these, but not the actual vehicle. The vehicle may not have survived. As I recall, it was a pretty cool little vehicle. It's a sort of a tank tread bottom with a mobile missile system mounted to the back. I'll probably just put my missiles downstairs with all the other vehicles. That might be something someday I'll try and acquire off of eBay or something to complete the collection, just since I've got her. She didn't have any weapon. You know, most of the vehicle drivers didn't come with weapons. They had helmets and stuff, but she didn't. I don't think. See, I never showed the back, showed the boots, showed the little computer dealio there. That logo on her shoulder there, I just don't recognize that for anything as far as G.I. Joe related anyway. It may just be sort of a generic when they put on. But anyway, sure. I think she seems to be fairly stable in her. I don't think I'm going to replace her O-ring. But anyway, that's old Cover Girl. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.